Hi, today we are going to learn XLOOKUP formula, how basically it's work. So I have data here, like here is the some stock market data I have available in my sheet. So here is the buy date, sell date, stock name, buy price. So this is data. This data I need in other sheet. The sheet is here, but the problem is that in this sheet the header is not the same format or in same order like this sheet, right? So what we can do, one thing we can do, we just start copy paste like this, is stock name, so we just do copy and paste here, like this we can do. But data header is short, we can do this trick, but if the header would be long or huge, so we cannot do copy paste, it will take more time, right? So now here is XLOOKUP formula basically. So it's asking for lookup value would be my stock name, now comma, asking for lookup area array, lookup array would be my header, which is here, now comma, asking for the return array. So what would be the return array? Return array would be my data. Just close the bracket and enter. What happened? The stock name is automatically pasted here. Now just drag this formula entire row. So sell date is not in the format of date, so just we have to change in the format. Now we have changed. Just press shift control 3, you can able to change in the date format. Now buy price, so buy price is here. Now let's buying date, we have to change it also in the date format, we have changed it. So data is automatically come in this sheet, like stock name HDFC 5 December sell date. Just we can do cross check by that sheet. HDFC name is stock name HDFC 5 December sell date, 5 December sell date, buy price 1522, buy price 1522, and buy date 28 September 23, 28 September 23. So it's basically works here. Thank you. Keep learning.